Hi kids. First introduction color name orange color, red color, green color, blue color, yellow color, purple color, green color, light blue color, brown color. Okay kids, write the alphabet. Red color A. A for apple. A for ant. A for elegant. Yellow color B. B for ball. B for bed. B for bear. Blue color C. C for cat. C for cup. C for car. D. Green color. D for dog. D for door. D for duck. Purple color E. E for elephant. E for egg. Orange color F. F for fish. F for frog. Brown color G. G for girl. G for jeep. G for giraffe. G for giraffe. Blue color H. H for house. H for hen. H for heart. H for head. Green color I. I for igloo. I for ink pot. J. J for jump. J for juice. J for jug. Yellow color K. K for kite. K for king. Orange color L. L for lion. L for lamb. Brown color M. M for monkey. M for mouse. M for mom. M for mom. Purple color N. N for nose. N for nest. N for no. O. Yellow color O for orange. O for octopus. Blue color P. P for pigeon. P for pen. P for parrot. Red color Q. Q for queen. Q for quail. Purple color R. R for rabbit. R for rat. Orange color S. S for sun. S for sunflower. S for snake. Brown color T. T for tiger. T for tub. Green color U. U for uncle. U for umbrella. U for uncle. U for umbrella. Green color V. V for van. V for violet. V for violin. W. W for watch. W for window. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for zebra.
Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.